doing? This is Melody and you're watching Started. So as promised, I am back once again very soon. I told you guys about that I'll be making a video on hair coloring, as people were asking me how do you color your hair at home, and that too so well. So I thought, why not make a video for you guys, so that all of you who find it very difficult to color hair at home, and during this quarantine period where you don't find it accessible to go to parlor salons, so this video can really help you and let you guys know about the method you can actually apply while coloring your hair at home. So I'll be telling you guys about the basic that you should know about hair coloring. Disclaimer in advance that I don't promise best result. You might have some kind of effect on your hair, but for that you need to go for a test of your hair test that you need to do. At least you should color small part of your hair and let it stay for around 24 hours, and if you see no bad effect, you can really go for the hair color. So what things you will be needing for hair coloring? Talking about that, we would be needing hair color is the primary thing, the sole product of this procedure, and I'm using here the Budok hair color from the Crazy Colors. This I bought around 1 year back, but still I used only half of it, so I have half left. And that time I didn't get the color properly because my hair was jet black, and the color doesn't really comes out well with black hairs, so you need to have either blonde hair or you need to do bleaching before hair coloring. So now that I have this golden blonde hair color, I can go with this color and the color would come out better. This is sort of maroonish shade, and let's see how the color comes out with this hair color. So the first thing is the hair color. You can go for any color you want of your choice that goes really well with your skin tone, and which is a very difficult problem. Like people find it very difficult, like they always ask me like which hair color would go really well with my skin tone, but brownish or brown blonde is something that goes with every skin tone, trust me, and you can use it anytime. And the next thing that you will be needing is this. What is this? The foil wrap, and this would help your color to be in a proper place and it would not mix with your other hair part. So you have to make strips like this. So you see how well I have made. I'm not very good with this cutting and all, so I messed with the foil paper as well, so it's kind of looking like this. The next thing that you will be needing is a bowl, which is a very obvious thing. How can I say about bowl? How would you mix it? If you have a mixing bowl with you, it's good. Otherwise you can go for glass bowls as well. And the next thing you will be needing is gloves. These are my old gloves. I'm using it for past 1 year. Didn't buy new one. And the next thing you will be needing is clips. So this is a jugaad that I have done. This is a kind of hack, you can call it as. Comb is also an important thing that you need to partition your hair like this. And yeah, the hair coloring brush. I'm using this Sasta Tikau brush that everybody has at home, which their parents use generally for hair coloring, for covering their grey colors. So I had this only. So let's begin the video without talking too much. I've already wasted a lot of time in talking, but this was a really very necessary thing to let you guys know about some important do's and don'ts about hair coloring. So let's begin. You need to pour this, wear gloves first. So I'm wearing gloves. This is how you wear. This happens. Let's begin. So you have to partition your hair accordingly, the way you want. You generally keep your hair जैसा आप अपने hairs को रखते हैं उस हिसाब से इसको partition करें. Otherwise you can simply go for the basic partition, जो कि you have to part it into 2 sections that we normally do, but I do it differently. So I do it according to the style I always keep with my hairs. So this is the general type of hairstyle that I always have, which goes well with my face. So I'll be coloring my hair accordingly. So taking this front hairs and the back. Now I have all the down portions visible properly. color looks. This is the outcome of my hair coloring. I know many of you won't go for this poppy hair color, but for people like me, I enjoy this poppy hair colors. So after keeping the hair for 25 minutes, you find the results are somewhat like this. And what you need to do is apply a serum, a hair. I would use this Livon Color Protect hair serum that I often use. You can see the bottle is empty as well. Take a little bit on my palms just for better look, and you are done. If you like my hair color, you can definitely hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed, because I'll be bringing more exciting videos very soon. And comment down if you have any kind of suggestion or any kind of question in mind with respect to hair coloring. I'll feel really happy to answer them all. And yeah guys, follow me on Instagram as well. So bye guys.